Good morning, everyone. I am Prerona Choudhury from IEM Salt Lake, and today I'll be presenting my paper on the ethics of AI art. This topic explores how artificial intelligence is transforming creativity and how it challenges our understanding of art, authorship, and ethics. Artificial intelligence is now a part of the creative world. AI systems like DALI, ChatGPT, and Gemini can generate art even from text prompts. But this raises several ethical questions. Can machines truly create art? Who owns AI generated works? And what happens to human artists in this new digital age? My presentation will explore these issues from philosophical, legal, and social perspectives. AI art refers to artworks created fully or partially by artificial intelligence systems. The main technologies behind this are generative adversarial networks or GANs and diffusion models. These systems analyze vast datasets of human artworks, recognize patterns, and generate new images that look creative, even though they are based on existing data. The key difference is that, unlike humans, AI doesn't have emotions, experiences, or intentions. It simply learns and reproduces patterns. Even though AI generates the visuals, humans still play a crucial role. The process of prompt engineering, carefully designing and refining text prompts, requires creativity and artistic vision. So, instead of physically painting or sketching, artists can now act as curators or collaborators, shaping the output through instructions and selections. This partnership between human and machine challenges traditional ideas of authorship. The big ethical question is, who is the author of AI art? There are three possibilities: the AI developer who designed the algorithm, the user or artist who provides the prompts and chooses the final output, or the AI itself, though currently it lacks legal or moral agency. A famous example is that of Jason Allen, who won a digital art contest. Many artists felt it was unfair since his art was generated using AI. This shows how society is still struggling to define what counts as true creativity. Legally, most countries do not recognize AI as an author. The US Copyright Office clearly states that only human created works can be copyrighted. This means that AI generated art, unless significantly edited by a human, is not protected. The issue becomes even more complex when we realize that AI is trained on millions of online images, many of which are copyrighted. So, whose data is being used, and should original artists be compensated? Data scraping is one of the most controversial aspects of AI art. Models like Stable Diffusion were trained on vast datasets containing copyrighted works without consent. The lawsuit Getty Images versus Stability AI brought this issue to global attention. Critics argue that it's unethical to train AI on other people's work without permission. Policymakers are now discussing ways to create opt-in datasets and fair licensing systems that balance innovation with creator rights. Beyond copyright, AI art raises other important ethical issues. First, bias and cultural representation. AI reflects the biases in its training data, often prioritizing Western or male-dominated perspectives. Second, the devaluation of human labor. Artists are worried about losing jobs as companies start using AI to generate cheap visuals. And third, transparency. AI models are often black boxes, making it hard to trace how they make decisions or which data they used. These concerns remind us that technology alone cannot be neutral. It reflects human values and inequalities. But the goal is not to reject AI, but to integrate it ethically and responsibly. Some key principles include recognizing both human and AI contributions in attribution, using transparent consent-based datasets, performing bias audits to ensure fair representation, educating artists to use AI as a creative tool, not as a replacement. With these practices, we can ensure that AI enhances creativity rather than erasing it. Looking ahead, AI will continue to redefine what we mean by art. It can democratize creativity, allowing anyone to make art with just words. But it can also lead to cultural sameness, copyright disputes, and job losses if left unchecked. Therefore, we must find a balance between innovation and integrity, accessibility and authorship, automation and artistry. The future of art depends on how responsibly we use these technologies. In conclusion, AI art stands at the crossroads of technology, ethics, and human creativity. It offers incredible new possibilities, but also forces us to rethink what it means to create and own something. By focusing on collaboration, transparency, and fairness, we can ensure that AI supports human imagination rather than replacing it. Thank you.